Let's explore how to play music with Crestron Home for a seamless listening experience. From the home page, tap the Music tile. Right now, nothing's playing. So, let's start some music. First, choose where you want to play music. You can pick individual rooms or whole groups like the first floor. Once you've made your selection, tap Next. Now, choose what you'd like to listen to. At the top, you'll see your music services. Below that, your favorite playlists and stations. You can select a music service to find something to listen to. You can also add playlists and stations to your favorites, so they're easier to find. Select your favorite station, and you're all set. From here, you can control playback, adjust volume, and more. Need to change where the music plays? Tap Manage Rooms and Groups, and open the list for the active group. Just tap a room to add or remove it. It updates instantly, quick and simple. You can also add another music stream by tapping the button in the bottom right and repeating the same steps. That's how you control your music with Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.